Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ebusanfo, my equity at force in our year, finance minister.
Bernard, look at the GDP very carefully and ascertain where the growth is coming from. It will surprise you to know that the growth that we've seen, the bulk of it is coming from mining. And going into mining, where is the growth coming from? Mining today is 50-50. 50% from Galamsey and 50% coming from the proper mining establishment as governed and regulated by the Minerals Commission. So they are only celebrating Galamsey. That's what they are celebrating. And this cannot be sustainable. It's not sustainable growth in the sense that your water bodies are being destroyed, your forests are being destroyed, and you are celebrating that growth. So if the growth is coming from the destruction of your water bodies and it's coming from the destruction of your forest and you are celebrating, then what kind of celebration is this? This is not something we should celebrate. We should rather be ashamed of ourselves if growth is coming from.
So is that why for you, you are projecting only 4.4?
So I'm projecting at least 4.4. And the wording there is at least. It has always been my style. Under promise and over deliver.
Hey! It's waiting a year. Now, Apanyoma can say, hey, Ato, is that you? Hey, Ato. Ebusanfo, Ato for say no, but yo. Say oye economics and I say finance and I say bibisa. And pacho school ben okoi. NDC for the no matter how smart you are, once you join NDC the your things will be some way. Ebusanfo, Ghana Statistical Services. They approve statistical entity or Ghana, and they tell us how various indicators are. Omuye, one of the most reliable agencies, how you can rely on their data. They have come out with a finding, and the finding is it is captured on City 97.3 FM platform, and I'm going to be putting it here for you. On that very finding says that the Statistical Service has clarified that the 5.7% economic growth recorded in 2024 was primarily driven by data and SMS usage under the information and communication services sector. It's Ato Forsen saying. Ato Forsen, a Minister of Finance. Onima dewe na onimana. Ato Forsen does not know. Say Ghana Statistical Services has conducted a research and he is attempting to lie to unsuspecting Ghanaians. Assembly say omunim say assembly ya we na yemi ya assembly nyinemu. NDC for omunim say omu grassroots for no omu pe adesua. They don't like reading, they don't like learning, they don't want to anything now person fancy NDC Nibia no fashion book uncle kinda. Enti omo ba buy mu so a na ye nyina a wo man mu nyina no they put us in that category say omo hu ye nima ase ye say omo fustu je say mintimi kire. Because say otumi hwe me nimpa ka kire me say the growth that Ghana has experienced is from mining. And a mining no so no part of it no every formal sector and a part also free informal sector. Assembly na bezo chire me no. Now also ye growth that we have because you see omuka sakra no omu ndwin wasa na omuka. Because you want to do everything possible to discredit Akufo-Addo. And then no person we understand. Government for aba. You want to make your name. You want to let people know that the former government is evil. No problem. But sometimes, just sometimes, remember, say, nkrofo ayeti asema ukanu. Yesu ye wa adwini bi. Oh, na nkrofo omuye galamsey no. Omuye den koto omu gold ma aban. And I say omo den koto mo gold na omo keep records for us to know say na nkofo omo ye galamsey last year no gold say ni say na omo koto ya on say oya omo ndwi asem ne ho ya omo ndwi ho eno no say na eba omo trimu bia omo sori a na omo abeka bibia eba omo trimu bia na omo abeka omo ndwi ho say o asem we abeka kire Ghana fo no nkofo bi oho a omo beka omo akohwe say akohwe say there bi o entro omo ndwi ho just say omo sorry pe you want to grant interview. People, we have voted for you. The time for campaign is over, Ato. The time for campaign is over. This is a time to work. You have the goodwill of the people. And the laws of this nation are behind you. For you to fulfill your promises. Ghanaians know, say, there has been 5.7% growth under Akufo-Addo's last tenure. And the omunim, uye ni denya untimi pepa freho. The same thing is Ghanaians also know say who are to force no will indicators and I say will marking scan and I say will target crown. It is lower than what MPP left. And if the fact they say we are moving forward now economy are surviving COVID-19 in Russia-Ukraine war, still they were able to hand it over to you at 5.7%. No, unko that bompa is yakupon boa. Now say na NPP timi ye no. Yakupo ma also adjoining nyansa otimi di yebi. Instead of doing that, no, you are wasting your time and spending quality time lying and deceiving people. And I thought we have always been telling you, say, the moment some of us we are still alive there, ntro bianco, ntro no enye juma, uko ubeka ye babe disbanki, ubeka ye babeka nukreno, entimi pa ucho ato forcing. We the MPP for account Ghana Statistical Services omuna omuka omusi asema ukanu ubwa enye galamsey bia ni mining sector bia omusi eye data usage any SMS usage. They were the main drivers in the 5.7% growth that was observed. That 2000 Mpaucho Epaucho enwa unia penny ye minority leader, mighty minority leader, or see uye nenua. And we should take it cool on you. We should we should not come hard at you. And also okasa ye bunu point okasa yeti. And don't force us to go against what our mighty minority leader has told us. Do the right thing. Ye will research ye. We will research ye. Obi ni oni asem. Ye wujuma. We are ready to support you to deliver your promises to Ghanaians. But that must be done knowing very well, say, you must have respect for fact and data. As for fact and data there, out. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers, see you in the next one.